Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, in the Department of Science and Technology, under the faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am in your class by taking some very practical aspect of your statistical method, and you will find that how the day-to-day events, how the activities that happens in our surrounding, that happens in the industry, that happens in the locality, may be formulated, counted, analyzed, and it is easy for us to get the result. The students, you know well, unless and until you are not minutely calculating and the finding of your data, the result of your data, it is not possible for you to reach at a census point to forecast that the next step of happening is what. So today I am going to discuss it with you as standard deviation and variance. The standard deviation and variance. Here is the word standard. The word standard is completely a scientific terminology, and you are aware that meter is the standard for measuring the length. Meter is the standard for measuring the length of a wire or a string or cable or anything else. Second is the standard for scaling the time, and kilogram is the standard in the case of mass. So in data, if there is any deviation, if you are planning to deviate because there is a big data, there is a bundle of data, and to extract the each and every finding from there, it is not a simple task for anyone who is analyzing or calculating or even discussing in any industry or in any, you can say, investigation mode. So in that case, it is prerequisite pattern that some deviations may be allowed to calculate and to get the result of the given primary or secondary data. So I have a written PDF written by some gentleman. I found it is a recommended study material for you because there are some diagrams, there are some figures of horses and their height, and so I am sharing this to explain you that what is the meaning of a standard deviation and variance. See here, standard deviation Deviation just means how far from the normal. In a standard deviation, we have to mind that from the normal case, how far we are in our data. A standard deviation, the standard deviation is the measure of how spread out numbers are. In a standard deviation, we have to measure that that as I told you in big data case, as I told you, if I say you that list out the people who are 75% or 60% infected by COVID-19 across the country, then this data is spread in number, in a state wise, in district wise, in block wise. So to measure these type of data leads to a new concept, that is a standard deviation, and this is denoted by a Greek sigma, Greek letter, that is sigma. And a standard deviation, in one line you can say, it is the square root of the variance. If you want to find a standard deviation, you have to find variance. Likewise, if your son, your daughter, or even you yourself want to be an officer, then the basic requisite is what? Firstly, you have to study. Firstly, you have to acquire the minimum eligibility criteria. So if you want to find standard deviation, notice you have to find variance. And I may recall that during your student life in your previous classes, this topic was also a part of your discussion, that what is mean, what is deviation, what is variance. Anyway, so I told you that if you want to find standard deviation, you have to find variance. Then variance is what? The average of a squared difference from the mean. If you want to find variance, then you have to find mean. And then you sort out, you find term by term deviations and they square them, add them and find their average. That will give you variance. Here is, as I told you, you and your friends have just measured the height of your dogs in millimeters. See here, this is the height 0, this is 200, this is 400, and this is 600. And these are the dogs. The height of their shoulder, see here, it is 600. This is what? This is 400, and so. So find out mean, the variance and the standard deviation of this data. Your target is to find the mean, the variance and the standard deviation of this data, of this pictorial graph. That the data is given, you have to find the mean, the variance and the standard deviation. Your first step is to find the mean. First of all, you have to find the mean. And for finding the mean, you have to add all the heights given here. 600 for 470 plus this. 470 means here is this. Between 400 to 600. Between 400 to 200. Between 0 to 200. These are the data. 0 to 200, 170. 400 to 600, this, and then These the total are 5, so it will be divided by 5 and the result will be this. So mean is this. Then calculate the dog difference from the mean. These are the differences. You can calculate from here. Then variance is what? You have to square the mean and you have to find out the average value of that. This is the variance. And that standard deviation is what? A square root of the standard deviation. This is the result. So I hope students it is very much easy for you to understand. Some other next examples are also and you can utilize for the other populations data also. The standard deviation, for standard deviation, you can use this formula. For a population standard deviation, you can use this formula. And for sample standard deviation, you can use this formula. I hope that this digital session 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, have helped you in your this topic understanding. And in case of any problem, you can put your query in the comment box. I promise that I will resolve. So today only till this point. Wait for the next topic. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening me.